Hey, it's Jason with jams.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm here with my 2023 Ford Maverick XL Hybrid, and I want to talk about the one thing that has really annoyed me on this truck, and I'm going to fix it for $18. And I've been annoyed with it for about 8 months and 10,000 miles of driving. So let's take a peek, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I use this truck pretty much as a daily drive or taking my son to school. But you've seen, hopefully, my other YouTube videos about the Maverick. And I'm pretty open when things annoy me. And what annoys me the most on this truck? The tie downs. The absolute worst. So they give you, on the XL Hybrid base model, maybe the fancier ones that I think are actually not worth it to pay that much for the Maverick, but who am I to say that, have more tie downs. Well, my Maverick came with 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, it's not too bad, is it? Yes, I need them on the floor and those holes for them. 1, 2, 1, 2, and I want them up here. 1, 2. So there's plenty of space to put them. But did they save $18 and didn't want to do it? Now, I get why some people may not want them back there, because if you're pushing, say, a piece of plywood in and you have floor mount tie downs, it could create an issue for you. So you go on Amazon or click the link in my description below. And these guys, a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't need 6, but you know, they are made in China. Maybe they'll break or corrode, so I'll keep them, obviously. I need 4 of them. $17.99. And it comes with the mounting hardware. And I'm putting these on before I spray this bed liner in. And what I want, so many times, I want to have a strap that, like, goes down this way. Absolute perfect fit. You take a 10mm socket wrench, you line it up, you screw it in, you're good to go. Let's install one of these. So I'm going to take one of them here, along with, it looks like you need 2 bolts to mount it in, or screws, or whatever. And it's a 10mm socket wrench, and it's like 2 degrees out today. I've been doing a bunch of stuff on the Ford Maverick, so my hands are like frozen, as you can tell. So again, it's just a 10mm is what you're going to want to use. I'm beginning to wonder if I should keep this little plastic thing on, but I feel like I should. So I got the top one nice and secure, so then I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom one. So I made one slight change just to get me going a little bit quicker, but I am hand tightening still because I don't want to risk doing anything that could over tighten these. But this just lets me go a lot quicker in. And then I take the next one, I'll put on, and this is, you know, I'm adjusting the pressure I'm shooting in here. That's why I hear a click like that, because I don't want to over torque it. So it's putting me in, but then I'll take this bad boy and I'll just do a little bit of hand torquing just to make sure it's as tight as can be. So let me finish these up and then I'll show you what they look like. Hey, it's Jason. So I got them all installed back here, but these look like the only additional anchor points where they would fit. So I'm just going to be happy that I got 2 back here, which is honestly why I wanted to strap things up higher and not go under this lip. So I did achieve a little bit of what I wanted to achieve, but 18 bucks And now I got 4 extra because it comes with a pack of 6. But thanks for tuning in to my channel, jams.net, and watching me install these additional tie-down anchors. And it's been a huge annoyance for me, and now I'm happy that I have 2 more in the back like I needed. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. It means a lot to me. Have a great day.